In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite all friends to Steam group. Before we jump in, a quick note on expectations. Steam doesn't offer a single invite all button because of spam protections, so we'll move efficiently through your friends list and stay within Steam's limits. Start by opening the Steam desktop app. Make sure it's up to date so everything runs smoothly. On most systems, you can check for client updates from the Steam menu at the top left. If an update is available, let it finish and restart the app so nothing interrupts your invites. Next, sign into your account securely. Once you're in, go to your profile, then find the Groups section. This is where all your groups live. Locate the group you want to grow and open it. To invite people, you'll need the right permissions in that group, so if you're an owner or an officer, you'll see admin options. Click into the group's admin page or management area. Inside the admin page, look for the section dedicated to inviting people, often labeled something like Invite Members. This is where Steam lets you reach out to your friends. Open that tab to see your full friends list and any filters available. Now, scroll through your friends and send invites one by one using the invite button next to each name. To speed things up, use the search bar to filter by name, and consider sorting by who's online so the people most likely to see it quickly are at the top. Work methodically from A to Z or use the search as you think of specific friends. Each click queues an invitation, and your friends will receive a notification and a prompt to join. While you're moving through your list, keep Steam's limitations in mind. The platform limits how many invitations can be sent in a short time to prevent spam. If you notice the invite button graying out or you get a message that you're sending too many, pause for a few minutes and then continue. Sending in reasonable batches helps you avoid temporary timeouts and keeps the process smooth. If you have a very large friends list, plan to do this in a couple of sessions. That's it. You've opened Steam, updated the client, signed in, gone to groups, accessed your group's admin page, opened the invite area, and worked through your friends list while respecting Steam's limits. Once your invites are out, keep an eye on your group's members list to see who joins. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.